Hello, my name is Zachary Nikkel. This is my demo for my transport bot circuit. As you can see, we have our ultrasonic distance sensor, a buzzer for audio feedback. We have an IR sensor and remote that I plan to add functionality to later on. My two motors for left and right side wheels. Ideally in the future, these would be able to operate independently, but for making it simple for this video, I just did left and right and used an L293D1 chip to control the inputs to both of those. We have our signal LEDs for errors and for the ready state, our battery down here, and our manual override button. I'll go ahead and start the simulation. So you see you have our inputs there. Our current state is ready. So the robot is ready for another job. We're going to give it a job now. And hit send. It has its job received. It's on the navigate function now, or navigate state. It is showing the current distance from the nearest obstacle in its way. As it is navigating, it will give feedback just like that if it is too close to another object, and it will signal the red light saying that there is something in the way. Now we have obstacle cleared, resume navigate in navigation. So now we will begin the drop sequence, which for now it's just under D. We will hit D and it will say drop sequence delivered. Idle state is done, state is done. Now it is in the idle state. So now the robot is not moving. Let's see, let's go ahead and give it another job as well so we can show the manual override. Job received, navigate. We see the motors are moving. It is navigating. And then we can hit the manual override shutdown button. It will hit stop and it will keep repeating, but it will end in the idle state until it is ready to receive its job again and go to there. Let's see, we'll go ahead and just do the quick checks for the LEDs. We have that available to turn on and off with the green, or R for the ready state, E for error or exception or anything that may come up. So we will do that, and that allows us to toggle that. And then B for the buzzer as well, just a way to use that if needed for other various purposes in the future. Let's see, I think that is pretty much all of the functionality we have as of now until we get some further code set up from the coordinator to the transport bot. So with that, we will go ahead and do the code view for you. Scroll up to the top, sorry. So we have our pin mapping set up, all that stuff, and I'll just scroll through so you can view that. Transition states. Celebratory flash for when an object or a tote is delivered. There's our Arduino setup. All that for that. And here is our loop functionality for the IR handler and all that, which will be added later on if I add functionality to the remote. These are our serial fallback controls that we were using for the demo. Auto logic. And there we are. Thank you.